Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram. There was a problem with your request on iPhone. To know how to fix Instagram, there was a problem with your request on iPhone. You should just go here to settings as you see and we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps and here we will click as you see. After that, in this list we will go down to Instagram like this, and here in this page we will go to this place for stop here, and after that we will go to storage, and in this page here as you see we will go to click here clear the cache, and then clear data like this, and after that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.